And here we are, the final week in our document automation training camp. Welcome back for week 4. I hope you've had as much fun learning as we have had teaching. In weeks 1 through 3, you got hands-on with a lot of individual components. These are all important elements that solve specific problems. So if you haven't completed weeks 1 through 3, then this might be a bit overwhelming, but it's definitely worth it. So if you plan on following along with any building, I highly recommend you go back and review the materials from week 1 to 3. We have a great week in store for you. All of the work that's been done will come together this week into a lesson that we hope will inspire you to solve document automation problems at your organization. In weeks 1 through 3, you learned how to get a document and pre-process it to ensure optimal quality heading into a document automation workflow. You know how to build a classifier and use it to determine what type of document it is. You've also learned how to extract information from the document using generative AI, validate that data, and standardize it for use downstream. And you've also gotten a few tours of the control room and the types of roles, permissions, and teams that can be created to allow Copilot for business users to interact with tasks and requests in the system, as well as how to create device pools for processing. Now, let's put it all together. Hey now, don't panic. It might seem like a lot, but I'm going to be starting with the assets you already built for your first 3 weeks. We'll combine the classifier you built in week 1 and any of the learning instances you built for invoices along the way into a single end-to-end document automation process using Process Composer. We'll also build in human-in-the-loop capabilities so we can use human input when we've noticed the AI needs some help. And best of all, I'll show you how flexible Automation Anywhere can be in designing automation solutions by showcasing other design options so that you can understand how to fit these tools into your automation needs. Automation Anywhere does more than just legacy automation. It can incorporate complex AI and data processing to solve business problems ranging from simple to advanced. Document automation can be really impactful when applied. Think about the use cases you've worked on at your organization or had to backlog that could be solved with this technology. All right, your action plan for this week. Go through the course at your own pace, and remember, it's designed to take less than 2 hours. If you didn't complete weeks 1 through 3, go back and revisit that content and make sure that you're fully up to speed. Get hands-on with everything that you're doing, working alongside us. The end-to-end build this week will guide you through a full solution build. It's a very important process. Connect with our Automation Anywhere community and connect with us. You are not alone on your document automation journey. Feel free to reach out to us and other members that are going through the same courses with you. Join our live session on Thursday this week for tips and tricks and other customer stories on how they've completed document automation at their organizations. And stay tuned for some of those community shoutouts and our swag giveaway. Most importantly, think about where this fits in within your organization. You've been there in your organization solving problems. Figure out how document automation can solve them as well. Good luck this week and go be great.